welcome to Wholesome Parenting with Betty. My name is Betty Bakita, and this week I want us to talk about finding me time for you as a mom, because it is important, first for your mental health and second for your whole family. Because as a mom, as much as it is exciting and rewarding, it also includes you taking care of the whole family as a mom. And if you are unhinged and feeling so not so well, then you're not able to keep your family at its you are not able to keep your family running as it should be. And even though the feeling of having it all held up high, like making it perfect, remember that our mantra in this channel is that there is no such thing as perfect parenting, but you can make it wholesome. And part of making it wholesome is finding some me time for you as a mom. So how do you find some me time for you as a mom? I have like a few tips, and the first one is stop feeling guilty for not having it all together. It's not compulsory for you to have it all together. In fact, it's okay to just let everything just roll as it is, and just let you have some peace of mind. So first, if you're not feeling guilty about not having the utensils washed, the house cleaned, the laundry done, you will feel much at ease and able to carry out those tasks one at a time, as well as taking care of your children. Secondly, let everyone in the house help. For example, if you have older children, you can have them taking up other responsibilities in the house, like cleaning up, putting away the toys, or doing other stuff that are not really so complicated, or that doesn't involve danger, like cooking. You can leave those ones for yourself, but you can have everybody else take up a role, so that will reduce the workload for you, and definitely you will have some me time for yourself. Thirdly, have some time with nature. Well, at this point, you'll have to first figure out where your child will be while you're having some time outside. You can choose to take them with you, but that doesn't give you me time, because you'll definitely be having your attention on them. So think of maybe a daycare center where they can go, or leave them with your spouse or with their other children if they are old enough to take care of their sibling, or you can have them, maybe a relative watch them, anything that will just make sure that your child is safe while you are out in the nature. While doing this, take a walk, enjoy those things that you do, like walk, just get some fresh air. It could just be a simple walk your dog or something like that, just to get some fresh air. Also, you can call a friend. This is an easy way to have some me time, because a friend, especially maybe one who is a mom like you, they will also be needing a break just like you. So once you call them, you're able to catch up, maybe share on the challenges that you have as a mom as they share theirs, maybe laugh at some. It will give you some ease when you're doing that. Another most important thing you can do for yourself as a mom, it is to stop comparing yourself with other people on social media, or other moms on social media. I know definitely you're in a group of moms, to share different experiences, but that doesn't but you shouldn't compare yourself to them, because every mom has their own different experience, every home has a different setting. So if you compare yourself with other moms, or with another mom's standard or something like that, it may not work for you and your child, and that will give you more stress. It will increase the tension around you. And how can you take care of your child when you're feeling less of a mom to them? It doesn't work. So stop comparing yourself with people. Another one is pamper yourself a little. Take that shower. I know as a mom, it's almost difficult, especially as a new mom. It's almost difficult to take a shower in peace. Like when the shower is on, you can only hear a baby crying, and you're imagining that's my baby. But take time to pamper yourself. Take that shower, go have your nails done, have your hair done, go get that massage when you're so tired. And of course, you're finding me time, so your child is with someone else taking care of them at that time. Also, read a book, especially if you love reading. it doesn't even to be a big volume book, a motivational book, or anything like that. Get a magazine, even a trashy one. It can help to get you laughing. Get even a comic book. Read anything that will distract you from your life as a mom at that point. You'll stop being the mom, Mama Christian, mother who. You'll suddenly be Betty. You'll just be yourself at that time. So take time to read a book. It does a good way of taking away your mind from your work as a mom. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Please subscribe, share, comment. Let us know what you think about this video. Bye.